Do you know someone who's always talking about movies? They have a DVD collection that rivals Blockbuster, and they're the self-proclaimed expert of all things Hollywood. They can't even get through a day without telling you about their favorite movie scene or quoting their favorite movie line like, "You talking to me?" Well, we figure that it's time to put all that useless knowledge to work. And just because you're not in Hollywood doesn't mean you can't have a lot of Hollywood inside of you. Hi, I'm Tom Costello, and this is Cinemativia. It's the game show that separates the pros from the Joes, the wannabes from the real McCoys. Our contestants are going to be given random movie quotes, and they'll have exactly 10 seconds to tell us everything they know about that movie. The actor who delivered it, the name of the movie, the year it was made, any awards it received, and a host of other topics ranging in everything from romance, drama, comedy, and action. We're going to find out who knows it and who blows it. You get to play at home as well. You email or text us the right answer, and we'll send you cash and prizes, and you may be on the show next week. So join me now as we find out who knows it and who blows it in Cinemativia.